हेलो दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत है स्टडी एग्जाम में। यहाँ पे आपके सामने मैं आज लेके आया हूँ डीआरडीओ के मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉप एमसीक्यू करंट अफेयर्स जो कि पूछे जा सकते हैं। फ्रेंड्स, ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा रिसेंटली कवर्ड न्यूज़ है। ये सब चीज़ें, ये चीज़ मतलब कि आपको पूछी जा सकती हैं इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस। आप लोग को ये जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा चर्चित होने वाले ये न्यूज़ हैं जो आज मैं आपको बताने जा रहा हूँ, या कुछ एमसीक्यूज आप लोग जरूर पढ़ के जाएँ। आप लोगों को बहुत ही फायदा करेगा। ये डीआरडीओ का जो सेप्टम का एग्जाम होने वाला है, बस आपके पास बहुत ही कम टाइम बचा हुआ है। मुश्किल से आपके पास 2 दिन बचा है। कल परसों में आप लोग के पेपर ही कंडक्ट है। आज 14 तारीख है। सो फ्रेंड्स, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं वीडियो के साथ। आपको मैं क्वेश्चंस कवर करता हूँ। हु हैव बीन रीअपॉइंटेड एज द चेयरमैन द एथिक्स कमिटी ऑफ लोकसभा? इसमें से कौन से हैं जिन्होंने रीअपॉइंट हुए हैं चेयरमैन की से एथिक्स कमिटी ऑफ लोकसभा के? डॉक्टर फारूक अब्दुल्ला, बी श्री देवेंदु अधिकारी, सी मिसेस मि- मिस संतोष अहलावत, D. Sri Lal Krishna Advani. The correct answer is D. Sri Lal Krishna Advani. He is a veteran BJP leader. L.K. Advani has been re-nominated as the chairman of the Lok Sabha Ethics Committee by Speaker Sumitra Mahajan. The committee examines complaints on unethical conduct of MPs and can also take up sumo to inquiry. P. Karuna Karan has also been re-nominated as the chairman of the committee in absence of member from the sitting of the House. Next question. At which of the following places would you find the दगदू सेठ गणपति टेम्पल? दगदू सेठ गणपति टेम्पल पुणे, बेंगलोर, थंगाजू थंजावुर और नासिक? द करेक्ट आंसर इज ए, पुणे. Next question. Who launches the National Scholarship Portal mobile app on September 13, 2018? Finance Minister Shri Arun Jaitley, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, Railway Minister Mr. Piyush Goyal, Minority Welfare Minister Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi? The correct answer is D, Minority Welfare Minister Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi. Union Minister of Minority Affairs Shri Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi launched the country's first national scholarship portal mobile app, NSP mobile app, on September 13. This national scholarship portal mobile app will ensure a smooth, accessible, and hassle-free scholarship system for students from poor and weaker sections. Next question. Justice Ranjan Gogoi, who has appointed as the 46th Chief Justice of India, has served as the Chief Justice of which High Court? Odisha High Court, Uttarakhand High Court, Guwahati High Court, Punjab Haryana High Court? The correct answer is D, Punjab Haryana High Court. Justice Ranjan Gogoi will be the next Chief Justice of India. He will succeed Chief Justice Deepak Mishra, who will retire on 2nd of the next month. Justice Gogoi is the senior most judge of the Supreme Court after Chief Justice Mishra. He will assume charge on 3rd October and will have a tenure of nearly 13 months. Justice Gogoi joined the bar in 1978 and practiced mainly in the Guwahati High Court. He was appointed as permanent judge of Guwahati High Court in February 2001. He was transferred to Punjab and Haryana High Court in 2010. Later was appointed as the Chief Justice there. He was elevated as the judge and the Supreme Court in 12, April 2012. Next question. What is VC 11184, which has recently in the news? India first proposed space station, icebreaker ship developed jointly by India and USA, India first missile tracking ship, new antibiotic to fight superbug. Friends, this question is very important. You can focus on this question. This question is very important for your exam current affair. This question may be asked. This question may be asked in your exam. So friends, be focused on this question and remember this question, that where is the VC 11184 has been recently. What is means I mean to say that what is VC 11184? You have to know about this VC 1184 this. So it is the India first force multiplier cruise the country into a global elite club. It is the India first missile tracking ship. VC 11184 is the India first missile tracking ship. Hindustan Shipyard Limited is gearing up the undertakes sea trials of India first missile tracking ship by the first week of October. Considered the topmost secret project. This is a topmost secret project. A lot confidential is being maintained in executing the project of costing about 750 crore. It will named after the induction into the Navy. For now, it's simply referred as VC 11184. Okay, friends. Next question: which of the following company or the organization will unveils its Neighbourly app to 5 more Indian cities? Google, Microsoft, ISRO, or NASA? The correct answer is Google. Google will unveil its Neighbourly app to 5 more Indian cities. People in Ahmedabad, Coimbatore, Mysore, Vizag, and Kota will now get access to the app. The app, which has earlier unveiled in Mumbai and Jaipur, helps users find answer to all type of questions such as shopping, fitness, food, and tuition centers. Next question: which two countries are reopened crossing points on the shared border for the first time in 20 years on September 12, 2018? Kenya, Nigeria, Syria, Egypt, Ethiopia, Eritrea, Uruguay, or Paraguay? Uruguay to Paraguay. The correct answer is Ethiopia to Eritrea. The leaders of Ethiopia and Eritrea reopened the crossing points on their shared border for the first time in 20 years on September 12, 2018, cementing a stunning reconciliation and giving Addis Ababa a direct route of the former foes Red Sea sports. फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो अगर आपको पसंद आ रही हो तो इस वीडियो को लाइक जरूर करें फ्रेंड्स. आगे बढ़ते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन के साथ. इन द 5 मैचेस टेस्ट सीरीज बिटवीन इंडिया एंड इंग्लैंड विच 2 प्लेयर्स आर गिवन इंडियाज इंग्लैंड मैन of the series trophies? Virat Kohli and Alistair Cook, Jasprit Burma and Moin Khan, Virat Kohli and Sam Curran, Shikhar Dhawan and Sam Curran. The correct answer is C. Virat Kohli and Sam Curran. In which field was Rajalakshmi Nandakumar and the India-born woman scholar in the US has been chosen for the prestigious Marconi Society Paul Barron Young Scholar Award 2018 to help detect potential life-threatening health issue using smartphones. B. To make sensor wrist wear equipment for women's safety. To start global portal of women's safety. To search for a fatal superbug. The correct answer is A. To help the detect potential life-threatening health issue using smartphones. The reason for this is that Rajalakshmi Nand Kumar and a Indian-born woman scholar in the US has been chosen for the prestigious Marconi Society Paul Barron Young Scholar Award 2018 for her work to help detect potential life-threatening health issues using smartphones. Ms. Nandakumar, the University of Washington, has created a technology that turns an ordinary smartphone into an active sonar system capable of detecting psychology activities such as movement and the respiration without requiring physical contact with the device. Next question. Which one of the following statement is not correct with reference to the doorstep delivery service launched by the Delhi government on September 10? Only 40 service has been covered under this scheme. This service is free of cost. The applicant would have to call 1076 and fix appointment with a mobile sahayak. D. This scheme started on September 10, 2018. The correct option is the service is free of cost. The question has asked which of the following statement is not correct with the reference to doorstep delivery service launched by the Delhi government on September 10. This service is free of cost. This is not correct. This is the following statement which is not correct. Delhi government of September 10, 2018 launched its ambitious project to deliver public services at the doorstep of residents. From driving license to marriage certificate, Delhites can now apply for 40 government documents to be delivered at their homes for a fee of rupees 50 per service. The applicant would have to call 1076 and fix appointment with a mobile sahayak who will go to their home and help with filling forms, payment of fees, collection of documents, and all. This is the reason that's why that all the documents can be made from the homes only. So friends, thank you friends for watching this video. Friends, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel please, and hit the bell icon also. Thank you friends. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.